Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to the Han River here. We're actually gonna walk one time through the Han market and then we will actually go to parallel street to the Han River and check out what's new over there. Super interesting street neighborhood here. If you're coming to a local market, always try those Central Vietnamese specialties. Let me see. This is what I'm always eating. Bun beo, bun bot lop, and bun ramit somewhere. Very, very good. I always eat at this place. I'm a huge fan of Central Vietnamese local dishes. It's like, it all comes from Hue, but it's the same good as here. So you don't have to go to Hue only for that. But if you go to Hue, you will also experience very good local market dishes there. I think I had the best bun ramit in Hue. It was so good. It was a store, oh my god. And they have all kinds of, I would call them sexy dumplings. Because it's like a boba, it's like a dessert. And you have some small little pork belly balls in a sweet dessert. Genius. I think I made a video about that. But this is the street where I'm actually gonna wanna walk now. I wanna see how the streets evolved now. Because the whole neighborhood, as we saw in the last video, I don't know, it's a little bit dying out, I would say, but there's still enough people going to the Han market. We want to check out this street here. Super interesting. Also, if you're here as a tourist, you should definitely go here to this pink church. Looks super nice. And the whole street has a lot of nice amenities. Also a nice hotel. But we will find out here. I can see a lot of money to be exchanged here. Everyone is exchanging money here. So I guess they are legit, else they would not be doing this that openly. They also changed the rules. You have to have a money exchange license to exchange money. See a lot of flower shops here. This is also a very big brand, Doji. They have like proper, real jewelry and things like that. We have a bikini bottom here in Haiqiao as well. So they are very popular everywhere in Da Nang right now. It's 3 locations they have now. And here on the right side, the pink church is coming. The boo-boo shop. It's pretty walkable here. You can get banh mi. I usually do not eat banh mi in the afternoon in a super hot, humid day from the streets with pate. So for me personally, I don't think a pate can stay out so long in the heat and humidity. So I always stay away. If you do it in the morning, it's good. If they come and prepare it fresh, good. Or go to a place that is refrigerated or like cooled down. But this is the bridge. Maybe I'm also wrong with the pate thing, but I just don't want to. I never did it. When it's like 35 degrees humid, I usually don't do so much street food that is like that, like, which is not getting heated up again. Especially if you have a Western not prepared stomach, you should not go funky on these things because you don't want to ruin your trip right away. Go with the safe options first. Ham Village. This is a nice hotel actually. I liked it in Hanoi. I filmed it, but I never uploaded it. I filmed so many things and never uploaded it. I just don't know what I'm gonna do with it. The safest street food you can have in Vietnam, in my opinion, is pho. But it has to be boiled super hot, so. But usually there are. It's not like if they give you a not hot pho, give it back and say, cook it please. But it will not happen. I don't think it will happen. Yeah, I have never experienced that, so. But just be aware, it has to be hot and boiling. Then, in my opinion, I think it's gonna be very safe. And generally, pho is always good for the stomach, I feel. I always feel good after a bowl of pho. Ooh. So this is Ban Bot Lop. Or not Ban Bot Lop, no, it's Lalot. Lalot beef. Ban Bot Lop is something else. This is Wink Hotels. Wink Hotels is a part of the Hyatt group right now. So if you want to do a Hyatt globalist run, it's where you can do it very cheaply, like 40, 45 bucks, I think. Depends on the time. I mean, during the International Fireworks Festival, you will not get that price, but in the low season, you will get it. And you have also a chocolate place here, right opposite. Very interesting, Maribu. Da Nang Polyclinics. Da Nang International. I really don't understand what polyclinics means. Maybe you can explain it to me, guys. And this is the luxury building. That's the name of the building. Luxury building. Okay. I mean, at least you find it on Google right away, right? I'm wondering how it looks inside, how luxury it is. You can park here in the bottom floor. Those streets here, super interesting. If it's not that hot, if it's cloudy, okay, this is a little bit too hot. You gotta be careful, but it's good on shade as well. If it's not so hot, you can just come here and roam around the streets and just try yourself out. The chances of you getting great food is very high. It's like I had so many good dishes here, and they're all in my Google Maps guide. It's like also one of the best bun chas I've had here was also there. Very good. Also a very good German-style kebab from a German. Also there. So this is a one-way street here, and the parallel street to this on the Han River is also a one-way street to the back. So you always have to do like this, okay, if you're driving. And here's the thing, sometimes Vietnamese will also drive in the opposite direction. That does not mean this is right, okay? They just do it, they don't give, especially the uncles and aunties, they play by their own rules, okay? So do not follow people only because they do something like that. If someone drives here this way, this is still a one-way street. Don't do it. Don't do it, guys. Now we have several places here. My Barber too. Okay, it's also closed. It's so weird. What is going on? More and more places closing down here. Limoncello. And also this is the street where the Australian went bonkers and destroyed the whole coffee shop. This is exactly the street here. And right opposite of that street is a notary. That's where I got a notary signature one time. If you go to a notary in Vietnam, or this is a government notary, okay? So it's a little bit different. I think privately owned notaries are different, but if you go to any government building, don't forget to wear long pants, guys. They will also tell you that. But yeah. Don't forget that. Any public, not public, any government building you enter has to be long pants, guys. For the girls and the guys. And no, like a wife beater, or what is it called? Sleeveless shirts. I think that's also not okay. T-shirt is okay. We have cheese over here. This is also pretty famous, I think, if I'm not wrong. Huh. I can see more and more places closed again here. I don't know, maybe it's Wednesday, 10:49. I don't know why there's so many things closed. I'm also a little bit worried about tourism soon, if this war is not ending in the Middle East. Because now with the oil thing, I don't know why, but the oil prices are super cheap still here. Again, they went down hardcore. But it does not make sense to me how it can be sustainable with the conflict. Flight prices will go up eventually. I mean, they are already up, to be honest. If I compare my flight to Hong Kong with what I had before, it's already up 2 times, 100%. Who knows? Maybe I booked Hong Kong also on a cheap offer or something like that, on a sale. This is also a street where they have another pizza 4-piece and some interesting noodle shops in there also. I did a video there with Francois there 2 years ago. Nice hutu. Hutu Kiki or Hutu Ki. Forgot. This is, I think, the television place, TV8. But yeah, that's it. We're almost there at the Dragon Bridge. And I will take now a Grab because it's too sunny. I gotta save up my skin. But if you like my walking tours, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're on the TV, go on up and like it. Check out this video here and see you in the next walk.